In R&D, our primary job is making products, but sometimes in our daily lives at work, it can be easy to forget because we're so busy filling in paperwork. I remember shadowing a scientist one day. We spent about 45 minutes in the lab making new products and double that time documenting it in systems. That's why I'm so excited about what Concerto is going to do for all of us.
The Consumer R&D organization is driving to greater levels of globalization, whether in formula development, deployment, or the management of our raw materials. We realized that our current systems didn't really provide the level of data consistency necessary to support global implementation. We realized an overhaul of our systems is needed.
Concerto is replacing our Optiva formula development system and was created using our user-centric design methodology. First, we work with our scientists and engineers to identify and simplify the global business process. And then we turn that into a system design that they get to test as it's being built. Also, we're making sure that it seamlessly integrates into our other key systems like Capri, Element, and the RMQ system. And then finally, we'll be introducing a single sign-in approach for all these systems through a new unified user interface.
Project Concerto represents the latest addition to our burgeoning set of R&D applications. Leveraging a common look and feel and the same user-centric design principles, the product development application further simplifies the daily work of our scientists. Concerto leverages the same in-memory data grid technologies as product analytics to enable ultra-high performance searching and data accessibility.
A risk-based approach will be followed to determine the minimum validation deliverables as well as the right amount of types of testing required. By doing this, the system supporting product development will be of high quality, meeting their intended use.
A key guiding principle for Project Concerto has been simplification. We designed systems to facilitate our business processes, so we had to start by first simplifying these core formula development processes. We conducted global workshops in which cross-functional scientists and engineers collectively identified streamline opportunities at each stage of the development process. We even simplified the stages themselves. System-wise, our objective is clear: to create a more intuitive, user-friendly system that enables our developers to innovate effectively.
The early focus was on visual design and getting constant feedback from our R&D scientists. Basic sketches and wireframes evolved into early screen designs and clickable prototypes. Every part of the layout, every button, every click, every field was refined with user input to ensure an intuitive and efficient user experience.
Concerto is not just an upgrade to the Optiva user interface. It's the entire life cycle of a formula redesigned. And I use a lot of the same basic ingredients over and over. With the favorites option, my common ingredients just pop right up on a side menu when I open a new formula. What used to take half an hour can now be done in just a few minutes.
As a formulator, what I like the most is the drag and drop function to select the raw materials. It's very easy to use.
The Concerto will be faster, will be easier, will be great for us in our day-to-day.
Concerto has been the solution that we have been looking for a long time.
With Concerto, we'll have a system that's intuitive and easy to use, that'll integrate all the elements of product development. In our sector in J&J, we're focused on driving innovation to meet the needs of our consumers. By understanding what the consumer needs are and balancing that with the organizational goals, Concerto will help our organization deliver consumer needs faster. You'll be hearing a lot more about this rollout in the coming months, so stay tuned.